everybody. So, this one has very large pieces, and as you can see, very oddly shaped pieces. And I have no idea what it is. It's a little bit of blue and a little bit of brown and a little bit of everything. And let's find out. Okay, another cut puzzle. Yeah, so we have got another, well, it's not a basket, it's a box, but it's a box full of cats. Yeah, that one was quite fun, and it was quick, and it's done now. So here we've got the artist, Paris Clayton Weirs. I can't read it. Shame on me. All right, you guys. Fantasize. Yeah. A basket full of kittens. So cute. Okay, guys. If you like my Mystery Mondays, just hit the like button so that I know. And if you don't want to miss them, then consider to subscribe. It's for free. And we will see us on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.